back on the Just Sawdust channel. I'm going to make a big display cabinet for our music room. It's not only going to be a music room because all the hobbies are going to be here, so this is going to be shelves and cabinets underneath to put my model boats in, instruments, all kinds of stuff. Things I make myself, recycled stuff. So this is going to be a big display cabinet. We put sound insulation on the back because this is the only wall where we are connected to our neighbors, and our neighbor's house is much lower and it's like connected from here like down there, but okay, so we insulated it with this recycled mattress stuff that was already recycled when it was used for the mattresses. So there's like all kinds of stuff in there, wool and cotton, and but also little threads of like aluminium or whatever, so it's really hard to cut, but that's it. And now I'm going to make shelves, and Miriam is going to paint this because this is going to be black, and then the shelves in there are going to be maybe another color, and the cabinets with doors too. I want to make 3 cabinets in between with sliding doors. So yeah, let's see. But for now, this is sanded, and this is really like 3rd grade OSB. It's a bad quality, but well, it was the cheapest I could get. But I found this stuff, and it's called Koteka, and it's great. I mean, the edges, well, they are really rough because it's not pressed really hard, so it's like kind of loose. I don't know, but with this stuff, yeah, I could put it on and sand it, and now it's actually solid. So I think this will work. Yeah, up to making shelves. 1, 2, 3 times 3, 9 shelves plus 3 cabinets with sliding doors. So a lot of work to do.